snooze, you lose.
Snooze, you lose.
Sorry, man, you snooze, you lose.
Yeah, snooze, you lose. Literally.
You snooze, you lose, dude.
You lose, Aaron?
You snooze, you lose, Gramps.
You lose, man. You're gonna have to go make.
You snooze, you lose.
Snooze, you lose.
No, you snooze, you lose.
He's not snoozing, he's teaching a class.
Hey, you snooze, you lose.
This is not brain surgery.
But it is a surgery.
Wow.
Well, wait a second. What do I do?
It's not and it's not brain surgery, man. It's just
Beautiful. I don't need a pamphlet. It's not brain surgery. Saying it's not brain surgery.
For God's sakes, it's not brain surgery. She's still online.
It's not like it's brain surgery.
Relax, man. This is not brain surgery we're going to.
This isn't rocket science, it's brain surgery.
Well, it's not brain surgery.
And it ain't brain surgery.
Actually, it is brain surgery.
Okay, let's run through it one more time.
Mom, it's not brain surgery.
Nature calls.
Nature calls.
Nature calls.
Nature calls.
Nature calls.
The table.
Nature's calling.
No. Nature calls. I hear nature calling.
Nature calls.
Marty, don't be so sensitive.
Don't be so sensitive, laddie.
Don't be so sensitive.
Don't be so sensitive.
Oh, don't be so sensitive.
Don't be so sensitive.
Don't be so sensitive.
Jeez, would you stop being so sensitive?
Mitchell, please, don't be so sensitive.
Okay. God, don't be so sensitive.
And so quit being so sensitive.
So sensitive. Sensitive? Apparently, so are you. Honey, don't be so sensitive.
You're really photogenic.
I know.
God, you're so photogenic.
He is so photogenic.
Oh, I'm so photogenic.
Photogenic. The whole package.
Thank God he's so photogenic.
I'm photogenic.
A very photogenic man.